Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Cooking with
Vanilla
and Chocolate.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Vanilla and Chocolate. Today we're gonna make crispy baked potatoes and baked tilapia.
We have 4 potatoes here, sour cream, sauerkraut. Some people I know they hate sauerkraut. You don't have to use it. I just want to sprinkle sauerkraut on top of the potatoes. We have green onion and we have Parmesan cheese. These 3, it's just to finish it off when it's on the plate. So let's get to work. Of course, you can cut any way you want potatoes. You can make them like small squares. But you know, to make them crispy, I think the better is if you just slice them like this. Not too thick, I would say 1/4 of an inch, it's fine. Of course, if you want more potatoes, you can do more. For us, 2 potatoes is enough, especially that we're gonna have it with fish. Today we have tilapia.
And can I just say that I love potatoes in any form?
I
like potatoes like this, like how he's making. I like mashed potatoes, French fries, you know, the baked potato. It's so good. I love potatoes.
Of course, not all of them, like the potatoes which are closer to the bottom of the pan, of course they're gonna be more crispy. They're gonna even stick to it, which you can easily, you know, remove that from the pan anyway, remove it. But some of them will be less crispy, which is fine.
Yeah, whatever you like. If you like it more crispy, great. If you like them soft, that's great too.
We have a pan for it. If you don't have a pan, you can buy one from like a dollar store or 99-cent store, aluminum ones, yeah, and you can use it. Before we go on, I would recommend to, of course, turn on the oven. It's recommended to do it at 400 Fahrenheit, so I'm gonna set it up for 400. And I will set up time for 45 minutes. Probably would be enough, about 30 minutes to have potatoes ready to eat. But if you want them crispy, I would go about 45 to even longer sometimes if you want it really crispy. But they're gonna be too dry, so I don't know if you like that. So I did 50 minutes because basically it's the time from the moment that oven is ready. We're gonna have to put olive oil on the bottom of the pan. If you don't have olive oil, you can use any oil. I use olive oil and truffle oil. In one of the previous shows, I was talking about sesame oil and truffle oil, and both are really powerful. Baked potatoes is actually one of the meals where I like to use truffle oil. So now I have oil on the pan. I'm just gonna sprinkle black pepper.
You know, we love our black pepper.
Little bit of salt on the bottom. And now I'm gonna put potatoes inside. And I'm gonna mix it just a little bit, and before I go on, I'm gonna sprinkle it with curry powder. Again, if you don't have curry powder and red paprika, you know, salt and pepper is more than enough, and oil, of course. I'm gonna spray it with
Soy sauce.
soy sauce. And now I'm gonna mix it more. If you like, you can use, of course, butter instead of oil. Or you can add butter when it's finished on top of it. It's also good. Oh yeah, you were saying that you love potatoes, right?
Of course.
Yeah, I love potatoes too. I raised in Poland, and a lot of Polish people, families, they eat potatoes for dinner with like some piece of meat, could be pork, beef or chicken, and they have some salad on the side with it, or some veggies. So potatoes are very common in Poland. Potatoes not really make you fat if you eat like controlled portions of it. It's different when when you fry them, maybe. I guess it depends how you make it, or maybe how much you eat of it.
Exactly.
We eat a lot of potatoes in Poland and people are fine, Okay, I think this looks very good. So what we do next? I have tilapia fish, so we're just gonna put pepper on top and salt. And then we can put it on the middle of the pan. Turn it over and put more salt, pepper, black pepper. And voila! No, actually not. I forgot about sauerkraut, which, like I mentioned before, some people hate it, but it's very good for you. It has a lot of benefits, and actually there was this one doctor who spoke about it recently on TV, and he mentioned even Poland, that Poland loves sauerkraut. So I don't know, maybe you just should try it, before you say no. Sauerkraut from the jar, it's, I would say, too sour. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rinse it with water just to make it less sour. So that's how I do it. I just sprinkle it over. Under the fish. Baked potatoes and fish is already prepared, so the next step is just to put it to the oven. So let's do it. People always ask, should you put it on the bottom rack or on the middle? Always put on the middle. It's the safest way, and actually I did research and that's what they recommend. So if you put on the bottom, sometimes it can burn too much. I think that middle is the sweet spot. We used Idaho potatoes, the big ones. I know a lot of people like the small one, baby ones, baby potatoes. We like this kind because the other ones are kind of sweet.
Sweet, yeah.
I don't know, I don't like that too much with potatoes, that kind of flavor.
Yeah, he did it about twice with those potatoes, and they were a little bit sweet, and then he cut up these potatoes, and it was delicious. It was really good with these ones. So
anyway, so we'll see you in 45 minutes. 30 minutes passed, so let's see what's going on with potatoes. They look really good. Just to make sure they gonna be really crispy, I'm gonna keep it for another 15 minutes and then we'll taste it. See you then. I just turned off the oven, potatoes are ready, so let's take them out. Looks good.
oof, that looks so yummy.
So, let's put fish on the plate.
Fish on the plate.
Oh, see how crispy is on the bottom? Like I'm gonna point to the camera. Like on the bottom was. Yeah, that's how you want it. See, like this one here, or this one. Nice color. On the top, potatoes are not really crispy, but they are still really good. Okay, for now, just for the tasting purpose, that should be enough. We're gonna put a little bit of sour cream on the side.
Sour cream makes a lot of things taste so good.
And we're gonna sprinkle it with green onion. And at the end, we're gonna sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. By the way, this one is homemade. And we bought it like that, homemade Parmesan cheese. And as per our tradition, we gonna taste it. So here's the pork for you.
This is my favorite part. Okay, so you want the crispy one, right?
I think so. This one is also crispy.
Okay, so you want some sour cream?
Yeah, let's have some.
I took yours.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
It's so crispy, crunchy. I'm sure you can hear it. I'm sure you hear the crunchiness in our mouths, right?
We have many more videos coming, and some of them are already on YouTube. So please subscribe and
like.
And like, yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, guys. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye. Hope you enjoy the baked crispy potatoes.
Crispy baked potatoes.
Okay.